Yeah. Where are you going?
Says I'm gonna go dancing. You going dancing?
Hi.
What are you doing?
Hi. Ooh.
Did you just grab Reggie's paw? You did, didn't you? I can't wait to terrorize your butt.
Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go.
Oh, Daddy.
She likes it.
Grandma said you would. Whoa, we doing a booty dance? Where are you going?
Come back now. There you go. Get after it. Get after it.
Where are you going? Look at those knees. Look at you.
After it. It's a 15-pound weight right there. That's a lot to curl. Grab a pot of pasta for the road. Alright. You sure? Yeah. Alright. Trojan's in about 20 minutes. Hi. Alright. There's a whole pan full of it. Hi, princess. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. Hi.
Jump around. You can walk instead. Look at those knees going side to side.
Hi. Guess what? We beat him again. We beat Tennessee again. We beat him again. We did. Yeah, I knew that'd make you smile. I knew it. We beat him again, didn't we, sweetie? Didn't we? That's right. Here's that your princess. Again, we beat him again, our princess. We did it again, didn't we? Yeah, don't be shy. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it.
What do you think about that?
We did it. I'll see you a little later. Alright. Yeah.
Bye.
Say bye, Naldo.
Say bye, Uncle Naldo.
See you in a little while.
Is he coming back?